Hey, Christopher, where are we? Are we on the choo-choo train? Are we on the choo-choo train? Yeah. Choo-choo train. See? Oh, pardon me.
All aboard.
So every time they'll stamp my card. So I get
Let's have your way. Okay.
Welcome to the Tulsa Zoo and Living Museum Railroad. Please remain in your seats at all times and keep your arms and legs safely inside the railroad car. Our destination is the Sunoco station by the Sea Lion Pool. To the right is the elephant encounter. That's where you can see the zoo's Asian elephants. Inside the building is a world-class museum. It tells the history of the elephant and also has a number of interactive exhibits. We currently have 5 elephants on exhibit at the zoo, 4 females and 1 bull. The 2 elephants you can see on this side of the building are, that's Asha and Chandra. Those are 2 elephants from the Oklahoma City Zoo. Now, they've been here about a year now. In Oklahoma City, they're doing a complete renovation of their elephant exhibit. So as long as they're renovating, you can watch their elephants as well. Shortly on the right side of the train will be the Aldabra Tortoise exhibit. Aldabra tortoises come from the Aldabra Islands, which are just north of Madagascar. Now the largest tortoise we currently have on exhibit is a 609-pounder. His name is Rocket. Usually Rocket likes to hang out around the mud hole.
Big mud hole right there. Look at that mud hole right there.
We're now entering the African savanna area of the zoo. The exhibits coming up on the right side of the train are the cheetahs and ostrich. The exhibits coming up on the left are the giraffe, zebras, gazelles, crowned cranes, toucans, and pink buffalo. To the right of the building is the Big Cats Grotto. That's where you can see the Malayan tigers, the African lions, and also the 2 little lion cubs that were born here at the zoo back in March. Now, both of the cubs are males. Now, if y'all haven't seen the new cubs yet, make sure to stop by and have a look. They're really cute and quite animated. birds, aquatic life, reptiles, and primates. And we'll be arriving at the Sunoco station in just a moment. Please remain in your seats until the train comes to a complete stop. Then exit to the back of the train, and this is where you're exiting. If you're not exiting here, just remain in your seat. I'll be coming by in just a minute to collect tokens for the return ride back to the train depot. Thank you very much for riding on the Tulsa Zoo and Living Music Railroad.